This is classic. Oh shit, look at that. Oh, it's a Reliance. There's door closed. Let's get our cab view. Look at this thing. Wow. I mean, hey, I'll accept the mod. I'll tolerate this. Oh, check it out. I've never seen that button. And oh, look at that. Reliance. Look at this thing. This is awesome. This is so cool. Interesting. Oh, complete did the mod. Surprise, surprise. Oh shit, that's like a purple color. There's your PI. Which we, oh shit. That's where that elevator is. Back down to 1. Look at that button. I've never seen that. In beige. Let's start. Maybe I gotta do. There we go. This is cool. I love this cat. I like that light too. That's funky. Oh, there's the other elevator. Oh shit, look at that thing. Looks like it's on 7. Why don't we reverse course in that case? Woo! Can I call cancel? No? What? Huh. Nah, we're gonna keep going at leveling speed. Wow. Well, bruh. Okay then. Guess this will be a bit. Please. Oh yeah, we're stopping. Oh, never mind. Look at that door. Wow. I guess we'll watch the indicator. You can see the doors for the other hoistway, for the service elevator in that. Yeah, you can see them pass by. 4, 5, 6. Where's the permit at? 7. This thing levels nice and slowly.